Welcome to Fun English Lessons. Unlock the secrets of summer. 20 cool vocabulary words. Summer word fun. Sun.
Sun.
The sun is bright and warm in the summer.
Sun is bright and warm in the summer.
Seashell.
Seashell.
I found a pretty seashell on the beach.
I found a pretty seashell on the beach.
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 We like to play on the beach.
We like to play on the beach.
Swim.
Swim.
I can swim in the pool.
I can swim in the pool.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
I put on my favorite swimsuit to go swimming.
I put on my favorite swimsuit to go swimming.
Shorts.
Shorts. I wear shorts when it's warm. I wear shorts when it's warm.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
I wear flip-flops to the beach.
I wear flip-flops to the beach.
Travel.
Travel.
We travel to new places in the summer.
We travel to new places in the summer.
Camp.
Camp.
Some kids go to summer camp.
Some kids go to summer camp.
Picnic.
Picnic.
Let's have a picnic in the park.
Let's have a picnic in the park.
Playground.
Playground.
We go to the playground in the evening.
We go to the playground in the evening.
Sand.
Sand.
We build castles with sand.
We build castles with sand.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
A cold ice cream is yummy on a hot day.
A cold ice cream is yummy on a hot day.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Juicy watermelon is a summer treat.
Juicy watermelon is a summer treat.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Cold lemonade is a refreshing drink.
Cold lemonade is a refreshing drink.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
I need my sunglasses to protect my eyes.
I need my sunglasses to protect my eyes.
Vacation.
Vacation.
School is out for vacation in the summer.
School is out for vacation in the summer.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
We have a barbecue in our backyard.
We have a barbecue in our backyard.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Many colorful flowers bloom in the summer.
Many colorful flowers bloom in the summer.
Fireflies.
Fireflies.
We see fireflies at night in the summer.
We see fireflies at night in the summer.
Thanks for watching. Now eat some ice cream for science.